All right, quick rant. This is going to be about the job market, so lock in. So I just graduated from Yale University, an Ivy League here in America, and I still don't have a job. This might be shocking to many, but the job market is it's just piped right now. I really don't understand how people are finding full-time jobs. I really don't get it. Throughout the school year, I was actually working some different jobs, doing some brand ambassadorships and UGC creation positions for side shift, but like I need a full-time job. Like the clock's ticking right now. I don't know if this is a rant or like a cry for help, but like if anyone can help me find a job, or if side shift, if you're listening, if you're offering full-time jobs, please reach out. I need something, please.
Now is not the time to rage quit your job. The job market is so bad. It's so bad. And it's going to get a lot worse. So I know your job is probably taking a really big toll on your mental health, but I beg you, do not quit until you have something.
And he graduated from Yale. This isn't just some random person. This is an Ivy League, one of the best schools within the United States right now. Like, what is it? Everybody else is cooked. If you're not from Yale and you can't get a job, I can imagine how it is as just a regular college student graduating from your normal community college. Because right now, when it comes down to the job market, it's literally it's always been about connections. It's always been about networking and who you know. But right now, it has gotten 10 times worse. I couldn't imagine graduating from college right now. Like, I was considering going back to get my master's degree in you know, software engineering and to try to enter into the tech field. But I don't think that's even possible right now because AI. Companies are literally about to start cutting so much payroll, cutting so many departments just because AI can do the job itself. Why would I pay somebody if AI can do it, if not quicker and not better? Like, it's literally going to get so bad because they're just not making as much money. We talk about tariffs. Oh, they're not going to destroy the economy. They're not going to. You're cutting into a company's profit. Their profit and loss statement, they all work on P&Ls. Every single company works on a P&L. So when you talk about adding tariffs on top of their P&L, they're losing profits. They're losing money. So guess what? They got to cut it from somewhere. I'm cutting whatever position I can have that's going to be automated. That's just the honest truth. That's what companies are thinking about. And it sucks because I keep seeing MAGA. They're like, they're like, it's not going to destroy anything. The tariffs are a good thing. It's going to make everything much better. You know, I'm tired of it. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Let's check out this next one. I got more videos in here. They're going to blow your mind. People are really getting fed up with corporate America. Let's get to it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. Let's get to it.
Why aren't more people talking about what it's like to hit your late 20s, early 30s and have complete mental breakdown? I have been sold a bag of goods my entire life. Going through high school, college, get the good job, make the money, go pay some bills, go get a better job, go get more bills, pay those bills. The version of success that I'm now realizing was not my own. This is coming from someone that has worked in corporate America and objectively has had successes. I try to look further down the road, 15, 20, 30 years, and I don't really see a path that seems even remotely exciting to me. So is this just something people are coming to terms with that gets hard when you're in your late 20s, early 30s, where you just have to kind of accept that this is it now. This is my life. Buckle up because this is going to be a long haul. That's just something I don't feel as...
My husband just got an email saying that he lost his job because of the tariffs. He's a cargo pilot, and we voted for the lady. We didn't vote for this. This is so uncool. It's like, what are they trying to do? Like, what is happening? I'm sorry that happened, babe. Are you all right?
It's all right. I guess I can
He'll look for another
get
job.
a truck driving job or something.
Can't get a truck driving job because guess what? The ports are empty. So, hey, I don't know what you're going to do next. You got to maybe do DoorDash. But no, I guess I looked at DoorDash recently. They're not even accepting new drivers. What is it that he can really do right now? I even saw McDonald's. They posted the first losing quarter in a long time. Like, I don't know what is going to be these next few months. Like, and I laugh, but honestly, it's very unfortunate because so many families are truly being affected by this. And it's so unfortunate that MAGA just continues to act like it's just not happening. Until it affects them, it's like, oh, it's not that bad. It's not gonna be that bad, and I can suffer for a little bit for a long term. But hey, this next video, this lady literally applied and she's overqualified for an entry-level role, but it's gonna blow your mind. Check this out.
My jaw is on the freaking floor. So if you've watched my other video, it's about that I got rejected from an entry-level job I applied for. I made it to the final round interview, got rejected. I was more than qualified. This literally required 0 years of experience, and I reached out to the recruiter for feedback, and she finally got back to me. A week later, she finally got back to me, and guess what she said? Guess what she fucking said? They went with someone with more experience for this entry-level job for an operations coordinator. My last job, I was a senior operations analyst. I literally am not qualified, like, don't have enough experience for an entry-level job. I'm dead.
At this point, I think I'm just gonna sell feet pics online for money because the job market right now is shit! I'm currently looking for a job and I don't have that much experience, so I'm just looking for an entry-level position, okay? Nothing too crazy. I'm like looking at these entry-level positions. Let me know why one of them said 8 fucking years of experience. 8 years? You see, I'm no mathematician, but I graduated from college 2 years ago, and the last time I checked, college was 4 years? So 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So the extra 2 years would have meant that I would have been in high school. 8 years of industrial experience, girl, I was still busy learning what the nucleus of a cell was. Like, you mean 8 years of industrial experience? No. Wait, but hold on, there's more. The tomfoolery doesn't end here. Nope. All of a sudden, all companies want to release ghost jobs where they just leave the position, but they never intend to fill it. So it's basically just rotting up there on the job board for like 6-7 months, and people are applying, getting their hopes up, and trying to get a new job, but clearly that job isn't meant to be filled. So like, why is it still there? You're wasting my time! I want a job and I want it now! I'm literally gonna pull a Katie Fang and start crying because of work. But the difference between me and her is that she actually has a job. Meanwhile, I don't. Oh my god. Wait, that makes it worse. Wait. Oh my god.
She literally nailed every single point. Like, I remember when I was looking for a job, like this was a couple years ago when I was at Target, and I was like, dude, like how am I gonna get anything? And that was 2 years ago. What about now? I couldn't even imagine right now. Like, it's gonna, oh my God. It is insane. And think about your average college grad right now. Like, they're literally don't even, like, unless you got an internship or you know somebody that's gonna be able to get you within the door, there's so many ghost positions. There's so many applications that you can apply to right now and never get any kind of email back. Nobody's gonna reach out to you. Your application is just gonna sit, or it's just gonna go into the abyss. It is insane out here. It is really bad.
Put a finger down if you're laid off and have been applying for jobs for over 2 years. You've applied to hundreds of jobs and tailored your resume to every single one of those applications. You use ChatGPT. You've done courses. You've networked. You've gotten dozens of referrals. You've joined a job search council. You've got a career coach. You've lowered your standards so much that now you only apply to entry-level jobs, even though you have over 10 years of working experience and still don't even get those. So now you work 5 different part-time jobs, barely making $40K a year, live in low-income housing, and now we live in a looming recession and the job market's about to crash and you truly don't know what to do next.
I just quit my job to my boss's face. I told him that the $1,800 a week was not worth it, and I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I've got 6 weeks to figure it out because that's how much I have left to pay.
All right, quick turn of the events. Like, she just literally quit her job for. Now, let me know. We will all enjoy making $1,800 a week. I've never seen anybody just up and quit that and not have anything lined up after that. So good luck to her. She said she got 6 weeks to be able to survive. I don't know, some kind of savings or something like that. Shout out to her. But hey, listen, I don't have it in me to just quit my job and not have anything lined up after that. That is crazy. But I'm sorry, I don't have it in me to up and quit my job like that and go in and just hang out and look look for another job because I don't know if I'm necessarily going to get another job unless I have some kind of income. But at the end of the day, if you don't learn anything else from that video, do not quit your job right now. I don't care how much you hate it because you never know what it's going to look like on the other side. Like, I've seen these videos and I am so grateful that I have a job right now. Like, I don't even understand what it's like to not have a job right now, because I don't even know what I would do if I didn't have a job right now and I was looking for something, because at the end of the day, you don't know where your next paycheck is going to be. You're literally just out here in the abyss and just constantly getting denial after denial after denial. And honestly, layoffs, let's just talk about layoffs. Let's just put it all out there on the board right now. Let's just leave it right here. Layoffs are about to destroy everything. This is about to be the worst job market you've probably seen in forever. And I'm going to keep bringing you guys videos about this over and over and over again. UPS just laid off 20,000 workers. FedEx is about to lay off a bunch of facilities. And I got a whole video about this coming up very, very soon, but they're not posting it just yet. I feel like Amazon is coming as well. So it's just about to be a trickle effect right down the line over and over and over again. So listen, it's about to get very, very bad very, very soon. If you're not prepared, please prepare yourself. Like, it is about to get insane. And I'm not trying to make you afraid. I'm not trying to fearmonger. I'm not trying to make it like, oh, it's about to destroy and crash. But what I will say is tariffs are a real thing. Company profit, P&L statements are a real thing. Like, let's not just sit right here and act like P&Ls do not exist, because companies operate on profit and loss statements across the board. It doesn't matter. Like, let's just call it what it is. It's not fear mongering. It's literally they can't afford to pay you. Like, it's not even like, oh, I'm trying to make you scared and afraid of just go, oh, let me go panic, buy all these groceries. If you didn't see that video, click right here or right here, whatever, where people are panic buying. But I'm just telling you the honest truth. Prepare yourself right now. If you enjoy great content like this, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. I will see you next video. We out. Let's go.